In this lesson, we will be learning UML. A basic software architecture can be defined in following three ways. UML, that is Unified Modeling Language, Architectural Model View, and ADL, that is Architecture Description Language. We will discuss the first one in this lesson and the two others in the next lessons. Unified Modeling Language. UML is the graphic language to create software architecture. The founder of UML is OMG, Object Management Group. Software design and software requirement analysis, which are the two key phases of SDLC, UML serves as a standard for the two phases. You can define UML as a visual model to construct, visualize, and document a software system. There is no limitation of UML as it can also be used to model a system. Another benefit of UML is that it can also be used for non-software systems like manufacturing unit and flow processes. The complete picture of UML is known as a diagram. The diagram is made of different components, and in the diagram, the association of components is also specified. We can classify diagrams into different categories: structural diagrams and behavioral diagrams. Let's talk about structural diagrams first. Such type of diagrams depict in the static state of the system. In these diagrams, the state is shown by nodes, components, classes, objects, and interfaces. A basic structural diagram has the following components. Class. Class shows the object orientation and how they are related to each other. Object shows a collection of objects and their relationship. Components defines a set of components and how these interact with each other. Structure. All the inner structure of the system is defined in this component. Packages defines packages and all the classes in the package. Deployment. Deployment diagrams are defined in this component. Behavioral diagrams. Unlike structural diagrams, behavioral diagrams show the dynamic state of the system. By dynamic state, we mean the changing behavior of the system. In UML, there are following types of diagrams. Use case. Use cases show the entities of a system. Use cases are also known as actors. Activity. The flow of the software system is defined in this diagram. Association between use cases are shown by links. State chart. The change in the state of a class is described in this diagram. Sequence, in which flow a specific action is performed, is described in this diagram. Communication. It works same as sequence diagram, but the only difference it concentrates on objects. Time sequenced shows the changes in conditions, messages, and state.